What's up guys? Welcome to the internet Moola. In today's video I am going to show you how to delete your Instagram account. So I know a lot of people who got bored of Instagram, or they realize that they wasted a lot of time on social media, so they wanted to delete their account. So in today's video I am going to show you how to delete your account. The first thing, open in your laptop instagram.com and then log into your account. So as you guys can see here, this is our account. The first thing that I'm gonna do is click profile, and once you see this page, click more and then go to the settings. Now what we're gonna do is click down below this list, click help. After that, click help center. Now I'm gonna click manage your account and then choose delete your account. And as you guys can see here, when you delete your account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently removed. So I'm sure you guys know that. And you can also choose to take a break and temporarily deactivate your account. So for example, I'm gonna choose delete your Instagram account and then go to this page, click delete your account. Now Instagram is asking, why do you want to delete internet Moola, or like your account? For example, you can choose too busy or like too distracting, and then all you have to do is type your password. So once you type your password, your profile and account details will be deleted on March 3rd. So I would say a month after your a month after doing all these steps. So all you have to do is like type your password and then click delete something like your name here gonna be. So that's it for this video. If you like our tutorial, please comment, share with your friends, and subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more tutorials. If you have any questions, you can type your question in the comment below this video, or contact us on our official websites, because we have a contact us form in our website that you can use to be able to contact our team. Thank you guys. Bye.